Hi, my name is Jill Carlin Butler. I'm a visionary artist. I'm also a yoga instructor. I've designed a typeface called Body Type. I have authored some books. I'm a filmmaker, but I'm also the co-creator of Ecotexture, 100% self-sustaining living systems, co-created with my late husband, Lee Porter Butler. These Ecotexture buildings take nothing from the earth, air, or water, put nothing into the earth, air, or water. They sustain the lives of the people living in the buildings, no matter what the external conditions. Earthquake, flood, fire, tsunami, hurricane, you name it. Lee thought of how to protect the lives of the human beings living in these buildings. Today I am seeking $3 million, and I am willing to give the Sharks 90% of my company, Ecotexture. The money will be used to create a university think tank, the Butler University of Sustainable Architecture and Development, the Corcoran University of Sustainable Development and Architecture, the O'Leary University, the Cuban University. We can call it whatever you like, but that is the concept. The concept is to develop all of these systems in a university so that we can create and build the most unique, sustainable living system on Earth today. Lee Porter Butler invented the gravity geothermal envelope. This invention is a way to heat and cool houses without using fossil fuels. His book, Ecosia Homes, which describes his invention of the gravity geothermal envelope, contains 23 house plans nationwide in a variety of climates, homes which to this day have not had a utility bill for heating or cooling. These homes were built not just in this country, but throughout the world. The invention of the envelope was heralded in magazines worldwide, and Harvard professors wrote books about Lee's work. The principle of the gravity geothermal envelope described in this book is that hot air rises and cold air falls. Air stays at a constant temperature no matter where you are on the earth. If you are in New York, for example, as this house is in East Hampton, Long Island, the earth may be at 60, 62 degrees. That stays constant, even if it's 30 or 30 below zero outside. The envelope circulates earth-warmed air. As hot air rises and cold air falls, the earth-warmed air is circulated throughout the house, keeping that house snug as a bug. Couple that with a solar greenhouse, couple it with a wood-burning stove, and you've got yourself a nice warm house. This is the work, the shoulders, the work upon which the new work stands. Ecotexture is the work that we are presenting to you today. It incorporates the envelope, but then it goes much further. It then takes care of all of the recycling. It takes care of the gray water and landscaping. It takes care of the electrical storage. It takes care of all of the systems, including food production, waste management. This is a 100% self-sustaining, complete environment where a person could be born here, live there basically their whole life, have the food produced in the food-producing greenhouse, the waste taken care of by their waste recycling system. All of the lights, gas, water that you might need is self-contained in a perpetual system. This is what Ecotexture portends for the future. These buildings can be manufactured in a factory. This is the idea, that they can be manufactured so that we can house the entire world with these productions. We presented Ecotexture to the Department of Defense, and we proposed that they take and retool the retiring shipbuilding facilities in Charleston, South Carolina. We propose that they retool it to become the new Ecotexture floating buildings. We entered the first international conference on sustainable construction presented by the University of Florida at Tampa, Florida. People from all over the world. Our paper, Ecotexture, was published, and this gave us peer approval. My late husband, Lee Porter Butler, passed away on November 22nd, 2005. He left me this legacy to bring forth to the world. This has been my mission, my passion, and why I am in front of you today, in the hopes of you helping me to bring this forth to help humanity move into this new millennium. Thank you very much.